How to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. So if you want to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase, then what you need to do is first open up your Amazon. So you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the Amazon.com and open up your Amazon and make sure to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, you need to simply go for the account, which is on the upper right, and then go for account option under your account. Once you're here, you need to simply go for digital services and device support. And under the digital services and device support, you need to scroll down again, and here you will have these bunch of apps or the options. So you can go for software and games. And under the software and games, here you will have the digital software and video games. So you can scroll down, and once you get on this page, you need to look for the TurboTax 2019. Then you need to download the software. After that, you need to copy paste the license number. This is a folding character string of letters or numbers on your ID, and in this way, you'll be able to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. So that's all, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.